Not happy with your dark complexion and wants a fair skin and tone? Looking for skin whitening treatments? Then this video is for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Srivastava, Senior Dermatologist at Influennz Clinic, and I'm here to answer all your questions regarding skin whitening treatment. So keep watching. So do you want to whiten your skin and looking for skin whitening treatment? Well, skin whitening is quite different from skin lightening and brightening. So do you want to know the difference between all these three? Skin lightening, skin brightening and skin whitening might all sound the same, but it is poles apart. Skin whitening means skin bleaching. It is designed to give you a skin tone lighter than you were born with. And since we are going against nature, it is done through really harsh chemicals that can be potentially dangerous, can damage your skin permanently, and can even be painful. So, these treatments should absolutely be abandoned. You should never get it done, even under the influence of an expert, and definitely not at home. Although what we recommend is skin lightening and skin brightening treatments. These are different from a skin whitening treatment because they do not bleach your skin. They only try to achieve a skin tone that you were born with. So we target patchy areas of discoloration as a result of sun damage, aging, acne, or any other kind of blemishes. At Influennz Clinic, we have US FDA approved technologies that allows safe and effective treatments for skin lightening. These treatments include pico laser, microdermabrasion, hydrofacial, BB glow, body peels, and even intravenous glutathione. No matter what kind of skin lightening treatments you opt for, there will be a maintenance required in order to achieve that everlasting glow. You can start seeing the results within the first session itself, but a proper skincare, a good amount of sun protection is required to achieve a permanent result. Well, anybody and everybody can opt for skin lightening treatment. Those who have any kind of pigmentation, be it melasma, freckles, post-acne blemishes, uneven skin tone, tanning, sunspots, or any patchy discoloration should opt for a skin lightening treatment. So visit us at Influennz for any skin lightening treatments and be beautiful and influential.